look, I'm right here. Michael, I'm right here.
This is my Xbox account, just so you know, guys.
Okay. Michael, look.
Wait. Oh, guys, come here. Guys, come here.
I go
Are you guys
slow.
here? Are you guys all here? Come in here. Come in here. Did you all get in?
Yeah.
Okay, you guys all got in.
Why are we just sitting?
Don't press leave. Okay, we're about to get on the story.
There was 2 people on one seat.
I played this before. I didn't get to finish it though. It's really weird. This is actually a fun game.
My seat.
Oh, here's my seat. You have to look for
here's
your
my
name.
seat.
You have to look for your name, okay?
Wait, this is my seat.
There we go. I sat down.
I don't know how you sit down. Okay, you just tap. This is what I do. I just press this leaderboard. It's annoying.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I just looked back there and I just saw it. Hello, everyone. Read it. Well, I'll read it for you guys.
Wait, what? How is that? Are you starting a video?
Yeah, I already started. Okay. Well, hello, everyone. Welcome back.
I
We've
know.
been here before? Oh, yeah, we've been here before.
Yeah,
Move your head.
Okay, yeah, I know.
My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in this.
I know
flight.
he's right. He's doing
Yeah.
it.
As you can probably tell, this is a regular plane.
Yeah, I know that's a regular plane. Uh-oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you to the 99. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You
I know.
saved an airplane last time. Oh, that was probably the first one.
Oh, yeah.
We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, you saved the day, and that is a reason why we are here. Alright, even enough chatting. Come on. Just
Stop.
You stop.
Let's do because I don't want them to hear the Google.
No, we're not turning on the Google.
Right.
That makes it go away as you finally. Okay. Okay, we're about to blast off. The girl's getting out of her seat. Blast off!
What?
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, jeez. Oh.
Guys, we're up the
I'm having
middle
a
of
good
nowhere. Bye.
Can we just barrel roll? Wait,
bye.
who's about to talk next? Thank you for your cooperation. You're supposed to sit down. We're about to barrel roll. I don't know.
No, I don't want to.
I don't know what's gonna happen. I have been informed a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for instructions. Let's go.
Servant's room. What is this? I don't look in there.
Just get out of there.
Get.
I'm so bad at tablet. I think, and remember, no one should know about this. Oh, geez, what's going on? Did anyone else see that? Oh, Holden just talked.
What? I didn't see anything.
Oh, as
Wait,
Sid
there was
talked,
people right here.
welcome to the presidential air. Oh, I don't know.
No, I would not do this, man.
Let me out. Congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some
Someone stop!
instructions. I forget.
Stop.
I haven't played this game.
Yeah. DLC that. Is
Oh,
the ancient bad?
I think so. Wait, what's in here? Workroom.
Wait, what?
President is getting ready. What is he doing? What is he doing?
I think exercising.
Just sit down. Sit down. Let me sit. I don't know if it's gonna let us sit. The president is very special. Please do everything we say and not cause any kind of trouble in the airplane. That's all. President should be almost ready. Why is he walking? Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait?
Do we have to?
Oh no, I'm so sorry. What did you do? Look at this mess. President is going to be so mad.
I'm talking.
Please find something to clean this mess.
Brandon, why did you spill your cup?
I didn't!
We have to go in that one room, I think.
Wait, what?
The room back here. Oh, she already got it. There's a lady right here.
Clean it.
What is she doing? Clean it up, stupid. Wait, it's clean. Please don't let that happen
Whoa.
again. President is ready now.
Oh no! Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Oh, sit down? We can't sit down.
Right. No, just sit like this. Michael.
What's going on?
I know what's going on right now. I know my name's Bernie.
I'm hungry. I want food.
Oh, we have
Give
to
me
get the, it's Donald Trump.
No, yes.
It's
We're
Donald
gonna eat
Trump.
Donald Trump. Let's eat Donald Trump.
And Donald Trump doesn't care if I sit on his head, right?
I don't think so.
I think,
Hey, it's
I
not
think I
like
killed him.
Build that brick wall. Ronald.
Build that brick wall. I haven't talked
I'm
yet.
talking.
I'm sorry. It's the habit. Why, I hope I get picked to go make food. Anyways, welcome to my airplane.
He looks mad.
My name is Ronald McDonald. I'm the president of the Robloxia states. You must know you are heroes for this nation.
Guys, look what this room says.
We have a delicious meal prepared for the special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. Come on, next! The food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off the plane! Wait, is he about to throw the chef off the plane? We will take care of him, Mr. President. Stuck. Oh no! I have to be the chef. Why me? Oh no! Look at my hair. Will you better learn quicker? I'm throwing you out of the plane too. What is wrong with this guy? Oh, what do I do? Oh, I don't know what to do.
Press it.
What do I do?
Oh look, you tap the ingredients and then you put them in the stove.
If you grab the wrong ingredients, throw it in the trash can, but be quick. Are you ready? Time to cook.
Hopefully it's not gross food. The soup needs butter.
Where's butter?
Butter. The butter's right there.
Oh,
No! What is wrong with this game? Okay, you just need to go close.
the soup needs grapes.
Grapes. Go right in front of it. Just now tap it.
Let's go. The soup needs tomato. Where's the tomato? Oh,
No, that's an apple.
that's an apple? What? Are you sure?
Yes, it's an apple.
Oh, geez, I'm about to run out of time.
What?
This game is so...
No!
Ah,
No, Michael.
I died.
Do you have enough
No.
Roblox?
No.
No.
Michael.
And,
Oh no,
We had to choose me.
It looks delicious.
oh my
That doesn't make any sense.
There was no tomato, and I could have done that if I was on an Xbox. Tablet sucks.
Hey, Michael.
You get to watch Holden.
Hey, Holden.
Yes.
And Holden and what about we reset ourselves because then we will be with Michael.
Yeah, how about you reset yourself?
Why?